Good morning, everybody. We are on Marthas Vineyard and we're in a beautiful hotel. We're gonna go out, get some breakfast, and probably do some shopping, get the mini back, and then go paddleboarding. So let's see what the day brings. This is a 10.5 here.
I know they don't have that one. They don't have that one. They have sailboat. Those have initials on them, and none of yours.
Lots of shopping.
I'm exactly where I need to be.
I know I probably sound.
No, you don't at all.
We also still have a dress here, like just saying. Okay, we went in there for like $20 worth of shoes and walked away with like boxes and $310 worth of stuff. So that was successful, I suppose.
Might last forever.
Wow, that was a lot of shopping. I need a break from that. Let's do some paddleboarding.
Give me your body talk. Night beats burn through my body. I can feel the way she rocks. Makes me feel like somebody. Oh girl, 'cause in the eyes I see the magic. That girl has put a spell on me, and I know that she won't take me somewhere. As she's slowly looking down at me, I'm exactly where I need to be.
Day number 2, let's get some breakfast. Green tea.
So are you excited for our day?
I have no idea what we're gonna do, but yeah, sure.
Oh my god, I just told you like 3 times!
Oh, he told me that you don't know either.